YouTube channel. I am Coach Laudiaann, and I am so excited today because I'm going to actually talk about a topic that everybody needs to hear. But first of all, I want to appreciate everyone liking my channel, coming back to my channel, checking me out, who I am. And if you want to better understand who I am, go ahead, read my channel description, and it will actually help you understand what my channel is about. I do help people make money online. I actually have my own craft business too as well. I am an internet marketer. I am an affiliate marketer. I'm an entrepreneur. And so I am working a lifestyle of my online business and offline business. All right. And a lot of people don't know how old I am. I am a grandma, so I actually have two grandsons, but this year I'm on the way having two more grandkids, so I'm gonna be grandma of four grandkids. So I'm a mother of six, okay, and all my children are grown up. So, and this year I'm going to be 60 years old. Just want to let everybody know I'm going to be 60 years old. And my daughter, my oldest daughter, is actually going to treat me to go back to Hawaii for my birthday, and it's a birthday gift from me and my husband and I. My husband's birthday is actually a day before mine, so and then mine is the next day. So it's going to be exciting time for 1 week in Hawaii, and I get to see my aunties there, my mother's sisters, and they actually do crafts too every weekend, so I'm excited to see what they are making. But I think I'm the last one in my generation have picked up the skills of crochet. So it's passed on from my mother to my grandmothers. They passed on the passion to me. Hopefully someone in my future, maybe my grandkids, are going to have a passion and they would love to crochet. I do have three daughters, and they did not actually pick up that skill, but they're very bright, they're smart, and they are very creative. Okay, one of them is a natural animator. She actually graduated in the university, and then I have a daughter that's she's a nurse. She's an OR nurse, but she's got her master's in what is she? A nurse practitioner. So and my other daughter, she's the one that's she's the smartest one of all, but she didn't finish her career. I think her career's on hold because now she's having babies. But I'm excited for her because I know she's going to have a fabulous future, a blessed one, as a matter of fact, because she's really good to me, and she does everything, whatever I need. She's always there for me. But that's a little bit about my family, and I have a husband. My husband is their stepdad, so, and he's a counselor, and what else? Then I have a son that's working. I have one son that is he can't work because he's disabled. I have a son that has schizophrenia, and then I have another son who is my youngest. He works in a hospital, and he's an operator. He's one of those announcer that talks on the speaker. You know, I think they're a PO box operator for the hospital. So they shout out the codes and stuff like that, whatever. But he's been there since he was 18, so he's been there all 12 years already. I can't believe how fast my children are growing, and I'm getting older, but I don't feel old. But anyway, I'm in the process of getting myself prepared for retirement, so I do work part-time. I work in a subacute unit. I've been a nurse assistant for years. Over 30 years, I guess, and then I have been crocheting for over 50 years, and I'm also a musician, so I'm really musically inclined. I play a lot of the woodwind instruments, and if you guys want to listen to my ministry, go head on to the channel Lottie Music. Okay, I have a few videos about me singing, and you can find out what my ministry is about. So I have music, I have crafts, and I do make money online. And what you're seeing right now, this is a video where I make money online. Okay, I mean, this is a channel, all right, that to be successful, how to make money online, and I share a little bit of myself with this channel too. So I love making videos. I'm a great fan of becoming a popular YouTube influencer, and I love, I just love making videos. Okay, I was really uncomfortable at first, but now I'm so relaxed. So just like right now, I don't even know what this video is going to turn out to. And I wasn't going to talk about what I'm talking about to you, about my family, but instead I did. But it's good to share a story about what your background is. And so this is my background of who I am. All right, my name is Laudiaann Silvas. I go by Coach Laudiaann Silvas on this channel. All right, you see, and my business channel. And then I have other channels that I do offline, and on the other channels that I do with my crochet and my music. So, okay, now enough of that. Thank you for coming over to my channel. Thank you. I appreciate everybody loving my channel. I see everyone leaving comments. Thank you for pressing the like button, watching my videos, giving me a feedback of views. And I just encourage everyone just to read my channel description, okay? So you can better understand what this channel is all about. All right, I talk a lot about mindset with this channel, and I talk about how to become successful. So what I'm going to talk about is how to build a relationship with yourself. Okay. Now, if you're new to my channel, thank you for watching my videos. It may be this is your very first time watching my video. I'm glad that you're here. I thank you for coming over and taking a break, listening to what I have to say. And if you love my channel, go ahead, press the like button, and watch for the latest upcoming video, because I do upload videos every day or every other day. Some days I'm kind of busy, so I try to fit in a schedule, but I love making videos, okay, and I love to help people to become successful, and this is what this channel is about, okay. So thank you for coming by, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're brand new. All right, so let's get back to the topic: how to build a strong relationship with yourself. Now, it's really important. How do you feel? How do you treat yourself? Okay, how do you love yourself? How do you show up for yourself? If you can't answer these questions, I don't know what to say because you don't have a strong foundation within yourself. All right, maybe you're a people pleaser. You're always pleasing others, but then you ignore yourself. Now, how many of you guys are like that? How many of you all are like that? I am. I was a people pleaser before, and it actually burnt me out and I started becoming bitter inside because of that, because I wasn't spending a lot of time with myself. So it's really important how you feel. Your aim in this video is, your aim and your goal is to build that strong relationship, to self-love yourself back, okay? So how do you feel inside? How do you treat yourself? How do you love yourself? How do you show up for yourself? Okay, so from my heart, this is a video of setting up your personal development on how to love yourself. So you should love everyone. You should love yourself inside and out. Okay, so that's what we're going to learn. We're going to learn to love ourselves inside and out. And I'm just going to give you some tips how to do that. So self-love is one of the most important things in our relationship. And who is the most important thing in a relationship? Of course, yourself. All right, and just remember that you are the only person that can truly believe in yourself. You're the only person. Remember, no one will ever know you as deeply as yourself, and you can never give more than what you can give yourself. All right, so I'm going to talk about 5 things, okay, how to build that strong relationship. So tip number 1, okay, is number 1. All right, learning to be alone, learning to learn you better and having a better understanding. Now, what I mean by that is that, do you know yourself? I mean, do you spend time with yourself alone to get to know who you are? Uh, uh, Learning to understand your inner you and your inner self will actually reveal you areas where you're strong and where you're weak. So we need to focus on where we are weak at, and we need to help ourselves. How do we handle that emotion? How do we manage that emotion? How do we take every moment with ourselves? How do we think? How we feel? How we learn? How we handle our emotions? We need to write it down. We need to understand. We need to understand the inner world, and learning how to process it is really important, because if we don't sort that thing out of knowing how to do that, we become bitter, we become hateful, we start not we start hating things in our environment, because those because we haven't filled our inner self. We actually reflect what we feel, what has upset us, what has got us into a just not a loving person. So you're not going to be loving at all. And if you can't love yourself, how can you love others? How can you understand people? So we need to learn who we are. We need to learn the light of our journal. Write down the light of your journal. We need to learn the darkest of our journal. Write down the things that we don't like. Okay, so we have to gather all those experiences, and then we got to turn it around and develop a strong foundation to self-love ourselves back. Okay, so that's tip number 1. So you need to spend time alone to sort out how you handle your emotions. Okay, and then tip number 2 is learning to try things new. Okay, when you try things new that excites your curiosity. Okay, if there's something that you actually love to do, but you never tried it. So, try it. Try that new thing. Okay, what you love. Try something new. Try something different. As a matter of fact, if there's something that's been what you've been wanting to do, and if you actually met that need of doing it, you're going to actually be a happier person. So the structure of it all with this, what I'm talking about in learning to try something new, is that it's actually going to help you love you better. All right, that's another tip that I wanted to share with you. So take that challenge, do something new, whatever that's curious to you. Just stretch yourself and do the uncomfortable thing, because the uncomfortable thing is actually going to help you grow, and you will develop to become a better, stronger person. You'll begin to develop a strong relationship within yourself. So let me go back. Tip number 1 was learning how to be alone. Tip number 2 was learning to try something new. Okay, explore, excite, whatever that's going to make you happy. Go to Disneyland. I don't know. Go to Knott's Berry Farm. Do something exciting. Jump out of the plane. All right, that's something new. And then tip number 3 was to try things to make you uncomfortable. All right, so challenge yourself. And then tip number 4 is to be your own cheerleader. All right, Validate yourself. Give yourself approval. All right. Be proud of yourself. Okay. When you do something that you have done that you have never done, hey, celebrate it. Validate yourself. Be proud of it. And then tip number 5 is taking care of your body. Okay. This is the core that shows you how you care about you. And taking care of your body, this suits your physically and mentally. So stay with it. The more you care about your body, the more you will love yourself, and the more you will have a strong relationship with yourself. All right, guys, thank you for listening to my YouTube channel and listening to how to build a strong relationship within yourself. And I hope you enjoyed my message today. This is a podcast message, and I'm working on my part as building myself and developing a strong relationship with myself. So I want you guys to do the same thing, okay? Everyone do the same thing. All right. Thank you for coming over to my YouTube channel. Call to action. Click on the links below. You want to learn how to make money online? I have several ways that you can make money online, and get excited about the future, because the future in the internet business are blooming. People are making money, huge amount of money, especially if you're an affiliate marketer. And guys, don't forget, watch one of my videos. I am giving away an ebook. This is the month of April, so it's the ebook about how to start a store, have your own ebook store, and I have the links below. I have a video of it too, and I do talk about it in one of my videos. I'm actually a VIP member. I'm all the way in, so I have every tool that they have provided for me is there. Okay, so guys, gals, have a great day. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for listening to Mindset Coach Laudiaann Silvas. Don't forget to read about my description about the channel, about me. I'm excited to see you guys. I'm excited to see you all again. All right. Bye-bye for now.